There's a very common saying in the e-commerce space that goes like this: it only takes one product to completely change your life. And it's absolutely true. As cheesy as it may sound, it really is true because one single product can make millions and millions of dollars. And in today's video, we're going to go over an exact one product store producing millions per month. And this is going to be pretty shocking to a lot of you. I'm like teasing you here, and I'm about to show you what it is. And it's just crazy how simple it is and how good of a market opportunity this is. Let's just get right into it. We'll start with the market here. So the market is the cooling blanket market. Now, even though we are at the end of the summer, this product is absolutely printing right now. And what I want to show you, first of all, is the data behind it. But second of all, is how you could take advantage of this and how I'm planning to take advantage of this. So first of all, here's the product. It's a cooling blanket, and it's actually on TikTok Shop. So as you see, they're charging anywhere from $15 to $44, which is extremely cheap, but they are charging $8 of shipping, which is quite interesting to note right there. The brand is called Dwell Home. They only sell this product on TikTok Shop. And funny enough, this shop is actually just a normal home store, home goods store. And they don't really do very well at all. They actually barely get any traffic. For some reason, they don't have this product in their actual store. They only have it on TikTok Shop, which is really weird and definitely a missed opportunity on their part. So that's where the opportunity lies, right? If somebody from Dwell Home is watching, like, please hit us up at Akemi Lab, because we can set you up a website in less than a day and have you up and running in less than a day with some Facebook ads that are going to print money because of how viral this is on TikTok. So let me show you an example of a video here that has produced over $100,000 for the brand. So this simple video that you see right here, literally an unedited video with just some simple captions, has produced over $100,000 in sales. I know it sounds shocking. I know it may sound fake, but it's actually true. So you can literally just copy this video, right? Like, you could replicate this video or hire a UGC creator, to make this video. At Akemi, we have a huge list of UGC creators that we regularly source content from, and also affiliate creators. So if you are a brand and you want to work with us, just, go to akemilab.com and hit us up. But ultimately, you don't need us. You could literally just do this yourself. Grab your phone, grab a product just like this, and start making content. Now, the other thing that I kind of want to emphasize is just the fact that they're actually not promoting any other products. So this is the only product that this store has. If we go to their actual TikTok shop, we can see that they're just promoting this one. Now, they have a few different ones, I guess, different models that they just launched. This one they launched not too long ago. I guess this one they launched a while back. But this one is the one that's just totally crushing it in the last 30 days. But the other ones are picking up traction. As you see, their store overall is doing 2.2 million a month. So more than I originally stated at the beginning of this video. And yeah, their unit price is pretty cheap, and that's part of the reason why it's doing so well, because you don't often see blankets for $35, especially with some additional features like cooling. However, again, keep in mind, they are charging that extra $8 of shipping, which is actually adding a huge amount of margin for them. And that's a very sneaky tactic, but not really at the same time, right? It's just that people like the psychology behind just buying cheap products. So that's just something to keep in mind that you can actually apply to your store. So how can you take advantage of this? Well, again, what I would do is actually go to AutoDS. I talk about AutoDS on the channel a pretty good amount. Well, I guess not a huge amount, but it's part of our process for launching stores. We do have a program called the Incubator Program, and that's why I said I'm going to be taking advantage of this, because I'm definitely going to share this with the Incubator Program students. And what that program is basically we launch and test products with my team. I set up a nice team in order to do this for you, and we partner 50-50 on the profits, but 100% of the profits go to you until you recoup the investment of the incubator program. It's actually a really cool idea that I came up with, and it's been working really well. But AutoDS is part of the system that we utilize. And by the way, not to shill a million things here, but This system, you don't have to purchase the incubator program or be a part of it in order to take advantage of it. You can also go to our products at Akemi Lab and join the accelerator. And I've actually made course content that follows this exact process step by step. But the other product I want to share with you is actually a brand new digital product we dropped called the Ultimate 10 Million TikTok Ad Dataset, which is a dataset of 100 different TikTok ads that have all produced 100K in sales. This is better than any product research tool out there, better than any ad research tool out there, because these are all replicable and they all have proven data behind them. So I'm going to link this in the description. It's very affordable, and I guarantee you it's going to make you an ROI. I'm excited to make more small products like this and just really affordable courses. We do have a free course, of course. I do believe in free education, but I do also think there's a lot of value in investing in your education. You definitely take it a lot more seriously. So we have both. But what I want to continue to do here is maybe try to find this on AutoDS, right? So there's actually a lot of these products on AutoDS, and a lot of them fit this sort of margin that we're looking for, right? So some of these are pretty affordable, and they ship with 2-day shipping, which is super cool. So that's what I like about AutoDS for bootstrapping a business, a dropshipping business, is that it basically allows you to launch your business with very little upfront capital and still a good service, right? Like really fast shipping times. It's just raw dropshipping, like raw, being a merchant, right? It's pretty interesting to me because what they do is they actually pair some of these, they map some of these products with inventory on Walmart or Amazon and things like that. So it's pretty cool. But as you see, I would just find one of these and I would, take some of the content out there for this product just for testing purposes, mash it up with CapCut, make it look pretty good, and launch it with meta ads. That's what I would do, and that's probably what we will do with one of the incubator members here, because this is a great opportunity, and ultimately this isn't that crazy of a product, but it's popping off. There's not a ton of time to take advantage of it because of the seasonality behind it, but the competition is crazy expensive. Like the other competitors are literally just selling this for like $100. So yeah, that's why this is blowing up like crazy, because it's such a good price. It's just going so viral. There's so many people making money on so many angles, right? Like they're making money promoting the product, which is huge. This is why I feel like we're actually in the golden age of like e-commerce right now, because everybody that isn't an e-commerce business is trying to promote e-commerce products because they want to make money. So if you have a product that people like, and this is actually hugely key, have a product that people like. That's why I love Calo Data as a product research method, because if this product is doing this good on TikTok Shop, it means people really like it. Otherwise, they wouldn't be making videos about it. Chances are most people wouldn't just, promote products that they don't actually think are good. So therefore, it is a good idea to test products that are already validated through TikTok Shop, maybe not the exact same product, right? But maybe a similar supplier. All of these products are coming from the same place, right? They're all coming from Shenzhen, China, most likely, right? Most likely you got a supplier out there doing this. So yeah, if you need any extra help with this, obviously make sure you check out some of the links in the description that I always talk about. At Akemi Lab, we actually have a blog as well. So I'm going to continue to write more content on here. We haven't updated it in a little bit, but I want to write more guides. So again, I really want to go all in on this free education thing. I really want to start making more guides for you guys, and even more tutorials here on YouTube. However, if you do want to invest in your education, we have products there now for that. I realize, people do want to invest in their education, and people are buying courses and digital products from all these other gurus that don't know as much as we do, don't have as much data as we do at Akemi Lab, because we're literally working with 7, 8, and even 9-figure Shopify stores, believe it or not. And it's pretty amazing just how far we've come and how much data we've been able to gather in the last few years and how much experience and knowledge that we have. It's kind of crazy, especially from me making these videos all the time. So I hope that this has a ripple effect in the world in one way or another. I know that at least one of you out there is going to take this idea and run with it, or at the very least, take this template of an idea and run with it. I would say you can use a free theme on Shopify. Otherwise, if you want to do this in a professional way, part of our incubator system is using the shrine theme. I've been really liking the shrine theme. I just think it looks really professional. So I think I may try to do some sort of case study as well, just for YouTube, kind of like way back in the day when I did a live scaling store on YouTube. You can actually find those videos if you go back way back, in which I literally just launched the store and scaled it to 2K a day, like just on YouTube, and shared the store and everything. So I'm thinking about doing that again because I've been having a lot of fun with these incubator students and just watching them get their first sales, watching them get their products. And what's cool is that we have a team now that can help them automate that. So, they don't have to be grinding like crazy in order to succeed, but they can still learn as much as possible. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff happening. And I'm really excited just to be sharing more knowledge with you guys here on YouTube. And of course, make sure that you tune in and subscribe with notifications because I'm going to be streaming here soon. I want to react to a whole bunch of millionaire content, interesting, self-development stuff that I find, that I'm curious about. And just in general, there's so much cool content on YouTube that I love watching and I love sharing with you guys and commenting on. And, I just love the conversations that we have in the stream chats whenever I do stream. So I want to make an effort to do it more often. But I need you guys to be here in order to do that, right? I mean, I'm happy to stream to nobody, but it is more fun when more people join. So hopefully you guys join, and that's it. Peace.